I am Inspector Nobbed. I would like to confirm the arrest of 9 notorious and serial robbers who were involved in several robbery cases in and around Manicaland, especially the robbery case that took place at Chipinge Delta, and also the robbery case that took place at Knowstics Group of Schools in Mutasa. We would like to thank members of the public for providing us with such vital information that assisted us in accounting for these robbers. At the same time, we also would want to alert members of the public that there are some who are still outstanding, and as such they must not keep large sums of money in their premises. In the event that they decide to do so, they must make sure that the safes are having what we call the fogging system, which actually blinds criminals as they enter into safe rooms. They must also be in a position to ensure that those that they employ are trustworthy. In this case, you would find that the Chipinge robbery, as well as the Knowstics robbery, there was an inside job. We have arrested a guard at the Delta and also a cashier at Knowstics Group of Schools, which shows that most of these robbery cases are taking place because of inside information that will be passed. And also surprising is that we also have some witch doctors who were providing some spiritual faith to these robbers. So, in a nutshell, we are saying the robbers have reached to an extent of going spiritual in their endeavors to evade arrest. Thank you very much.